It's 6:45 and Pat and I have just arrived at the lake. We're supposed to meet Anthony and Donnie here at 7 o'clock. We're going to do some spoonbill fishing. We just got our car parked and it looks like Anthony has already launched the boat. The forecast was for a lot of fog this morning, but it was a beautiful drive on the way down here, and it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day on the lake. We had all of a sudden run into a dense fog. Anthony could barely see how to drive. There were also limbs and debris everywhere that had blown in from the recent storms that we've been having. Another problem was that this was the spot that we had come to fish, so Anthony had to start putting together another plan.
You can probably find us a good fish right here. Or we can come down here and probably find a good fish.
We finally got out of the debris, but the fog remained, but we motored around in the fog, and finally Anthony began to mark a few fish.
I got a wire in there and I started pulling out, but anyway, I got it cleared out, put it back in the water and ran it. Did fine.
I don't know that it's much of a fish. You might just be sleepy still too though.
Yeah.
It's early.
You don't know what the bass is, huh? Last year with Jerry, we fished and trolling the flicker shed. Back you go.
Get back. Not bad fish. No.
50 pound?
I don't know.
35, 40?
I'm not guessing things. I guess yesterday.
We guessed one yesterday and it's over 100 pounds.
Can you turn him up sideways and get some slime on you so I can get a good picture?
You want me to hold him? Hug him?
Can you hug him?
Nope. Let's just do it this way.
I wouldn't hug him.
Yeah.
When we put the lines back in the water, Anthony checks the depth on the fish locator and lets Donnie know how far back he needs to go. This is the downrigger that Anthony uses to control the depth, and it also helps keep the lines from getting tangled up. Because of the place we're fishing, we're only running 2 rods at this point.
Little guy.
Go home. Right.
Make sure you edit that and put the big fish on the line. Don't let them see me bring the little one in. Come here, buddy.
Well, we caught a couple of fish here, but we're not marking very many fish now. So we're getting ready to go someplace where we can use 4 rods at a time, maybe catch more fish and hopefully some bigger fish. And we've still got a lot of fog, but we're going to make a pretty good run up the lake in spite of it and see if we can find more and bigger fish. I don't know if we'll find any fish or not, but there sure is a lot of beautiful homes up here.
What's that? Oh, yeah?
After driving around a while and trying some different depths of water, we finally found some fish. There was definitely more fish, and they appeared to be larger in size than the fish that we had been fishing over. Anthony decided that we could run 4 rods in this water.
We're in shallow water here. Might be a great big blue cat.
Spoonbill. Yeah, it's weird.
Ain't no 100-pounder. Tail hook. Get back here. Get no hook in you, buddy. Big fish, though.
By myself, I run the trailer and take it down.
You get it too?
Oh, yeah, it's nice when he is,
This one don't feel like a blue cat anyway.
Little fella.
Let me trade you. Get your shit off or something.
All right.
Like anything else, you got to muscle up through the season, huh?
Man, that was a quick hookup.
Dropping him right on top of him, huh?
Baby back, though.
Harder to catch the little ones, you know.
cat. That's all right. That's a
Catfish.
I'll be darned.
We had two pretty good ones yesterday and this morning.
This was the second of 2 blue catfish that I caught on this trip. I had never caught one before while snagging for spoonbill. Any other species that you snag while you're snagging for spoonbill must be released, turned back into the water immediately. Each one of us was allowed to catch 2 spoonbill of legal size limit, and we have 5, and that's enough for us. We have thrown back 2 small spoonbill that were below the size limit, and we also threw back 2 blue catfish. So this has been a pretty good day, and we're going to head in. This was our largest fish, and it weighed in at 80 pounds. We also had a 65-pounder. Here are the 5 fish that we kept. We have to clean these fish on the dock. They will not let you take them up to the parking lot to clean them. Anthony said his knife was dull, so we'll see how fast he can clean this fish with a dull knife. Well, this ended up being a great trip in spite of the fog and the high water. Anthony was able to work his magic and put us on several fish. This was Pat's first trip, and I know he enjoyed it a lot, and I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.